Growing your own cucumbers in a high-rise building is not only possible, but also rewarding. Let's dive into the steps to get started and a delicious recipe you can make with your homegrown cucumbers. Choose a sunny spot on your balcony or near a window that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Set up containers or pots with good drainage. Cucumbers thrive in well-drained soil. Soak cucumber seeds in water for a few hours before planting to speed up germination. Plant the seeds about half an inch deep in the soil. Use a mix of potting soil and compost for rich, fertile ground. Space the seeds or seedlings about 18 inches apart to allow ample room for growth. Water the plants regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Use a trellis or stakes to support the cucumber vines as they grow. Here are some tips for successful cucumber gardening. Rotate crops annually to prevent soil depletion. Use mulch to retain soil moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilize every 2 to 4 weeks with a balanced fertilizer. Prune excess leaves to improve air circulation. Protect plants from pests using natural insecticides. Harvest cucumbers when they are firm and green. Avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. Choose disease-resistant cucumber varieties. Inspect plants regularly for signs of disease or pests. Companion plant with marigolds to deter pests. Cucumbers are typically ready to harvest in 50 to 70 days. Look for firm, dark green cucumbers. Cucumbers are great in salads, sandwiches, and even smoothies. Today, we'll make a refreshing cucumber salad. Slice 2 fresh cucumbers thinly. Add thinly sliced red onions and cherry tomatoes. Mix in a bowl with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Toss well and chill in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Serve cold, garnished with fresh dill. Growing cucumbers in a high-rise building is a fun and fruitful activity. Enjoy the process and the delicious dishes you can make with your fresh harvest. Happy gardening and happy cooking! If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share, and comment below. We'd love to hear about your gardening and cooking experiences.